Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family, and hi to all my fellows and subscribers, those who are following me. Welcome back to my channel Creative Crafts. In our today's video, we are going to make a beautiful wall hanging using some waste stuff. For making this beautiful wall hanging, I had used a waste cardboard box. If you don't have cardboard box at home, you can make such a rectangle or triangle shaped box at home, and you can use simply a cardboard piece for this purpose. Here I had covered the edges using masking tape, and now I had put a styrofoam sheet inside this box. For pasting that, I had used hot glue gun. If you want to use white glue or any other glue for pasting this styrofoam sheet, then you can also use that. Here I have plaster of Paris paste, which I am going to pour inside this box. Once I had poured this paste inside this box, I shall insert those wires inside this box to maintain the support of this wall hanging. And now I am going to put a piece of jute in it so that we can hang it with the wall. I had poured more cement inside it. You can use cement or plaster of Paris for making this wall hanging. Whatever available, you can use that. After 24 hours, I am going to remove this cardboard and styrofoam sheet. For removing this sheet, I am going to use a vase kitchen knife. Simply remove that and sand the final results. Remove the extra plaster of Paris and sand it carefully. After sanding that, I am going to make some homemade flexible clay. The recipe of this clay is already available on my channel. Please visit my channel and you will find the recipe. For your ease, I am also going to provide the link of this homemade flexible clay in the description box. Just go and click on this link and you will be transferred to that tutorial. And here I had used petal cutter and made a few petals, and now I am going to give impression to these petals using clay tools. You can use these clay tools or the Italian sticks for the purpose of giving impression to these petals, or you can also use natural petals for providing leaves, or if you have winners, you can also use that. Here I had already applied some white glue on the base, and now I am going to join that. I am going to cover half of this area using these petals. There are two methods to make this wall hanging. The first one will covered the half area with the sunflower pot, and the rest area will be covered using or making some butterflies. You can go with that. You can also choose some other abstract craft like butterflies or balloons, etc., and cover that area. Anyhow, later I had decided to cover this whole area with one simple sunflower. Here is the way you can easily make butterflies using homemade clay. And here I am going to cover it with the petals. Once I had covered it with the petals, then I shall move towards making the center part. For that purpose, simply make a ball of clay and just flat that and press it from the center and give some impression using Italian stick. I have some light issue, so my camera could not capture it very clearly. I hope you guys can see that how I had given the impression. And this is time to paint it. So for the base I had used white acrylic paint, and for the petals I had used reddish orange color, and for the center I will go for royal blue and burnt amber color. And then I shall highlight the petals and the center part using some metallic gold. My dear friends, if you like my work, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and also share this video with your friends and family members, so I can make more amazing videos for your ease. And most of the time I had made those videos in which I had used the waste material and which shows the recycling, and you can easily decor your home using waste material. It's cheap and best utilization of the waste stuff. So here I had just tapped some metallic gold, and which enhance not only the beauty but also brings prominence in the petals. And my camera could not capture the real beauty of this sunflower, but it is looking so beautiful and awesome. Please my dear friends, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video with your friends and family members, and to support us, be a part of my channel. Do comment and let me know what do you want to learn. I shall try my best to make only those videos which are really very useful and helpful to all my viewers and friends. Thank you so much for being part of my channel.